Yeah!
To the opposite end of the arena, to one of the best to do it in the last 20 years, Darren Mazel-Montier! A former Thomas Monster Truck Series champion, one of the original bad boys of Utah, Team Throttle Monsters, Michael Christensen Bandera! Drives it like he stole it. Drives it like his hair is on fire. He drives it like somebody is chasing him. And by gosh and by golly, he drives it like his ex-wife still owns it.